Hello dear friends, today we can discuss some important questions from English literature. The first question, The Examiner was a weekly founded by John Lee Hunt. Examiner was a weekly founded by John Lee Hunt. The next question, Dejection and Ode was written by Coleridge. Third question, the epigraph of the poem Dejection and Ode was taken from Ballad of Sir Patrick Spens. Next question, late estrine I saw the new moon with the old moon in her arms, and I fear, my master dear, we shall have a deadly storm, is epigraph of which poem? So, answer is Dejection and Ode. Dejection and Ode. Next question. The person from prologue was the unwelcome visitor to S.T. Coleridge during the composition of the poem Kublai Khan. Then next question. The epigraph to Wasteland was taken from Satyricon of Petronius. Next question. T.S. Eliot's Wasteland was dedicated to Ezra Pound. It was dedicated to Ezra Pound, the better craftsman. Next question. Murder in the Cathedral by Eliot deals with the assassination of Thomas Becket, the Archbishop of Canterbury. Next question. Who proposed theory of deconstruction? The correct answer is Jacques Derrida. Next question. The paths of glory lead but to the grave is a line from which poem? The paths of glory lead but to grave is a famous line from which poem? It is taken from the elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray. It's taken from the elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray. Next question. Christian is the central character in which work of Bunyan? The correct answer is Pilgrim's Progress. Christian is a character in which work of Bunyan? It is Pilgrim's Progress. Hamlet and His Problems was written by T.S. Eliot. Hamlet and His Problems was written by T.S. Eliot. In it he mentions Hamlet as a poetic failure. Next question. Who described Bacon as the wisest, brightest and meanest of mankind? Who described Bacon as the wisest, brightest and meanest of the mankind? It is Alexander Pope. Next question. The term curtal sonnet was introduced by G.M. Hopkins. The next question. Molly Bloom is a character in which novel? Ulysses, written by James Joyce. It was published along with Wasteland in 1922. Molly Bloom is a character in the novel Ulysses, written by James Joyce. Next question. Widower's House was written by G.B. Shaw. Next question. Mac Flecknoe is an attack on Dryden's literary rival Thomas Shadwell. It's a satire on Thomas Shadwell. Byron's The Vision of Judgment is a satire directed against Robert Southey. And question number 19. A Vision of Judgment was written by Robert Southey. The famous lines, where ignorant armies clash by night, is taken from Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold. taken from Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold. The willing suspension of disbelief occurs in Biographia Literaria by Coleridge. Biographia Literaria by Coleridge. Next question. The Court of Chancery is the setting in Dickens' Bleak House. Johnson's Dictionary of the English Language was published in the year 1755. Johnson's Dictionary of the English Language was published in the year 1755. Next question. Elizabeth Gaskell's novel Mary Barton is subtitled A Tale of Manchester Life. The subtitle of Gaskell's novel Mary Barton is A Tale of Manchester Life. The Mind Forged Manacles is a phrase from which poem? It's taken from London by William Blake. It is taken from the poem London by William Blake. Thank you.